How to add or remove live transcribe to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, then tap on edit. After that, we then go down to the available buttons section. And from here, swipe across until you find live transcribe. Tap on the live transcribe button to add it to your quick settings panel. And then tap on done, then tap on done again to save the changes. Here, if you pull down the full menu, you can tap on live transcribe and that will open up live transcribe. Here it is showing. So as you speak, it will show in the window here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now to remove the buttons, swipe down at the top, then tap on the edit button, then tap on edit. In the quick settings panel, we go down, then find live transcribe, and tap on the remove button, and that will be removed from the panel. Then tap on done, then tap on done again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.